All right, guys, we are back. Day two of our bathroom remodel here. So you can see we got all the shims in. Obviously, we got the subfloors on. Again, that's the 3/4 inch tongue OSB plywood. We got that transitioned over into the bedroom nicely. It almost lines up exactly where it's supposed to be. We have a little bit of a dip here in this corner in the bedroom itself. That's almost the center part of the home. That's typical in this age of house. We'll probably put some carpet shims in there when we throw the carpet in to level that off. But I just wanted to show you what we did. Obviously, we don't have this in yet. Waiting. I got to go to the store and pick up some pieces because we're rerouting all this plumbing as well. As we mentioned in the other video, we got our septic lines here. Our water line for the sink is going to be coming in over here. We're going to do that work from underneath though, because we wanted to get the subfloor in so we could get back in here and get going on some more work. And we got our laundry all moved back in as well. So that's where we're at. I'll show you real quick what we ended up with on the level. So you can see here, right in the middle, that's exactly what we wanted to see. And then going this direction the long way, again, we are right in the middle of the bubble. So now we got a perfectly level floor. It's going to be great for laying down our Duraback for our tiles, getting our shower and everything in here so we're not having puddles in that. Once we get this all roughed in here with the rest of the subfloor, we're going to be putting a like an underlayment waterproof membrane on this just to help with that. And then we're going to be getting the cement board down. So we'll keep posting videos so you can see our progress. But again, if you like the video, appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a shout and let us know, and we'll do our best to answer them. Thanks, guys.